Welcome back CRF Tragics and Adventure Riders. Welcome to the last bit of our little series. We pulled up a Mount Widgee servo and had a bit of a feed and fixed up the tyre on one of the boys' bikes. Stupid me didn't film anything on the way up, but I got some footage on the way down, so you might as well sit back, relax and enjoy the rest of the show, CRFers. Riding over a lot of these peaks, you can definitely tell you're fairly far up. You can see forever up on the top of the hills. There'd been a fair bit of rain the last couple of days, so there's still a fair few bog holes around. We were lucky enough that no real forward drives had come through and made them any deeper. Some of the downhill sections are fairly steep, having to use like second gear to go down, so the bike didn't kind of run away from you. CRF's definitely not a DRZ, but much like the DRZ, it can still handle itself like a pig in shit, going through muddy and sloppy terrain without any problems, and following it up like a tractor and getting up some big hills as well. There's some nice little rough little sections going up some of these hills, plenty of little rocks and shaly bits, made going up them a bit of fun. Even with my little D605 tyre compared to everybody's D606, I didn't think the little CRF did too bad. Kept up with most of the guys in most of the places apart from some muddy sections. Once again I'm behind that pink high vid vest. Means that I'm right behind Shane, so I'm going to be corner man next. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Anyone think I was clairvoyant? Look, me on a corner. As we started heading back down this Lantana, I'm having vibes. Vibes I've been down here before. I think it was right. I'm pretty sure this is where I lost my shoe, and Mad Mike on his other bike, his T7, found it whilst riding along. I was pretty lucky that day, because I don't know if I would have been able to get into the pub with one shoe. Lucky enough, he found it, and I could get into the pub. Last time we came down past this river crossing, it was really dry and dusty. Looks like there had been a fair bit of rain that had come through this part. Definitely a lot more stones exposed. As we came to this river crossing, I didn't realise someone else had an off. I hope you're okay, mate. Didn't know who it was. Didn't really get a good video of it. My boots were already wet, so I didn't care if I got my boots wet here again. After seeing that little incident, I took it fairly easy. The sweeps and everyone were there though, just to help anyone else get through as well. This is it. This is the climb out. The last little stint before we head back onto the main road. Fairly easy going, not too arduous, pretty cruisy. Some of these goat tracks are the best tracks. Sometimes just to sit back, relax, twist the wrist and have a bit of fun. Not taking anything too serious, just having a bit of fun. Just like that, that was the end. That was Mount Widgee. What a great ride. What an awesome weekend. And what a great bunch of blokes to go riding with. Cheers to all the CRF crew. Thanks for making it an epic one, boys. Our fearless leader, Shane in that pink vest. Cheers, mate. Thanks for the event. Our sweeps. Guys, you got us through everything. Thanks for all your work as well. From our Friday night drinks to our Saturday night shenanigans. There was always smiles on everyone's faces. The bikes were always ready for more, just like we were. No matter where we were taken, through the forestry, river crossings, and the private property that the guys had organised, and even through some shitty lantana. The little CRFs can do everything. Even make new mates. Once again, guys, cheers for the ride. Let's look forward to next year's little river crossings and tracks wherever our little CRFs take us. The mud, sweat, the fun of it all. Thanks for tuning in. That's the end of the series.